Good morning, class. As in the last class we have completed the chapter 10, that is visualizing solid shapes. Now in this now today I am going to start the new chapter, that is mensuration, that is chapter 11. Before starting the chapter, I would like to recall some formulas like area of rectangle is always L into B. Area of square is side whole square. Area of triangle is 1 by 2 into base into height. Now area of parallelogram is base into height. And area of circle with radius r is pi r square. Then we will talk about perimeter. Perimeter of rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth. Perimeter of square is 4 into side. And then perimeter of triangle is 3 into side. After that, circumference of circle with radius r is 2 pi r. Now here are some formulas which you have to recall. Now I am going to start the first exercise of this chapter. So the first question comes here. We have two figures. One is of square and the other is of rectangle. And the measurement of side of square is given, and the length of rectangle is also given. And in the question it is asked which field has larger area. So the two fields are there. One is in shape of square and the other is in the shape of a rectangle. 60 meter, 80 meter. So Here it is said, according to the question number first of exercise 11.1. Thus here I am just explain the question. I am not going to solve the question. Okay, you have to do it by yourself. If you have any doubt in solving the question, you can ask me in the class. So here, according to the question, it is given in the question, perimeter of square is equals to perimeter of rectangle. So 4 into side is equals to 2 into L plus B. Using this formula we can calculate the breadth of the rectangle, and when we have length and breadth of the rectangle, then we can calculate the area of rectangle, and then we calculate the area of the formula for area of rectangle is L into B, and the area of square also, that is side square. Now we have the area of rectangle as well as area of square. Now we can compare it, and by comparing we can say which has larger area. Okay, so here is the solution. Here is the method how can you solve the first question of the exercise 11.1. I am going to explain the question number 2 of this exercise. Question number 2. In the question it is asked, the Mrs. Kaushik has a square plot with the measurement as shown in the figure. There is a square plot that belongs to Mrs. Kaushik. The measurements are 25 meter, 25 meter, she wants to construct a house in the middle of the plot. In the middle of the plot, she wants to construct a house. A garden is developed around the house. Okay. Find the cost of developing a garden around the house at the rate of 55 rupees per meter square. Meter, this is of 20 meter, and this area is garden area. We have to find the cost of developing the garden around the house. Okay, so first we have to find the area of this garden. So first name it PQRS, and this one is ABCD. Then find the area of garden. Formula for area of garden is equals to area of square PQRS minus area of rectangle ABCD. Okay, by this formula you can find here the length and breadth of this rectangle ABCD is length is 20 meter and breadth is 15 meter. So by the putting the value of these two length and breadth, you can find the area of rectangle ABCD, and area of PQRS, square PQRS is side square. Side is 25 meter. Now put the value 25 meter square, and you can find the area of garden. When you find the area of garden, and you have it is given in the question, the rate of developing garden is rupees 55 per meter square. So per meter square. If you have the area of garden, then cost of developing garden is area of garden into the rate of developing garden. So by these formula you can get the value. You can note it down. Question number 3. The total length of this field is 20 meter, and the breadth of the rectangular part is 7 meter. So hereby we can conclude the diameter of semicircular part is equals to the breadth of rectangular part. So D equals to 7 meter. From here R equals to D upon 2, that is 7 upon 2 meter. So first we have to find the area. Of this garden, and then we have to find the perimeter of this garden. So first, for finding the area of this garden, we have to find the area of this rectangular part. So for that we have to find the length of this rectangular part. So the length of rectangular part is total length minus, this is the radius 7 upon 2, and this is also radius 7 upon 2. So 7 upon 2 will be subtracted from both the sides. 7 by 2 plus 7 by 2. So 20 minus 7 by 2 plus 7 by 2, that is 7, that is 13 meter. Okay. 30 meter. 30 meter. Now we have the length. Area of garden is area of rectangular part plus 2 into area of semicircular part. Area of rectangular part is L into B plus 2 into 1 by 2, that is area of semicircle, into pi r square. 2 can be cancelled out, so L into B plus pi r square. Put the value of r, L and B and pi, you can get the answer of area of garden. Note it down. Now, perimeter of garden. Perimeter of garden is equals to 2 into circumference of 2 into circumference of semicircular circular part plus 2 into length of rectangular part. So 2 into circumference means pi r plus 2 into L. So 2 pi r plus 2L. Note it down, the formula for perimeter of that garden. Now question number 4, you have to do it by yourself. Question number 4, just you have to find the area of that parallelogram shape tiles and then divide the total area 1080 with the area of parallelogram tiles and convert the area of parallelogram tiles in the meter square because the unit should be same. So I am going to discuss the next question, that is question number 5. First part, we have to find the length covered by the ant. It means the perimeter of the food, perimeter of food piece. The length covered by ant is equals to circumference of semicircular piece of food plus diameter of piece of food. Now for the second, the shape of the piece of food is like this. 2.8 centimeter, 1.5 centimeter, the length covered by and is equals to the length of rectangular part plus the 2 into the breadth of rectangular part plus circumference of semicircular part. Note it down. So class, it's all over for today. You have to do question number 4 and question number 5 third part by yourself. And if you have any doubt, any queries, you can ask me in the class. Okay. Thank you so much. It's all over for today. We will start the next exercise in the next class. Thank you so much.